All right, friends, so what's the most important part about swinging your kettlebell correctly? It's where you initiate the power and how the power transfers. Some people like to swing their kettlebell through just their hips, okay? They focus on the hip thrust to create the right amount of power. They take their kettlebell and they hip thrust here, and it looks like you're swinging your kettlebell, but what you're really doing is just kind of lifting with your lower back, and that's not a great thing. Some people have the right idea, and that's that you have to push into the ground like you're going to jump. Imagine trying to jump, but just doing a hip thrust. It would look like this. That wasn't a very good jump, right? You have to focus, redirect your attention into your feet and push into the ground. But what happens if I push into the ground but neglect the hip thrust? That kind of swing would look like this. And this isn't a really good swing either. Almost equally as hard on my lower back. Again, like jumping, that would be like jumping, but not getting tall, and you're not going to have a very good vertical that way. So it's a combination of both, driving into the ground and transferring that power through your hips, but you have to initiate it through the floor. If you slow down a kettlebell swing, we're going to push into the floor, and when our knees are about to lock out, we transfer that power through our hips, and the kettlebell becomes a projectile and floats. So if you like tips like this and you want more of it, be sure to like, subscribe, turn on all notifications, and I'll see you in more videos.